Hey everyone, Andy here with Blue Diamond Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing, and just doing a quick video showing you guys some of the tools I use and the process involved in cleaning solar panels. So I'm going to flip this around and show you. There's our 4-stage water filtration system, and you have a sediment filter, and over here on the right you have a carbon filter. That long silver tube is the RO filter, and then behind that, the gray tube there is the DI. And I usually get about anywhere between 0 to 2 parts per million, but I try to shoot for 0 parts per million. And what that means is just the parts per million is total dissolved solids. So anything, lime, calcium, any other particles that are in there, you want to get it as close to 0 as possible. And that is fed by the water spigot they have over there. It's the city water going into the filtration system, out into my hose reel, which has 150 feet of low profile hose. I have 2 of those. I just keep one in the van, but I have another one, and in case I run 2 poles. And yeah, so coming out, and then I use this carbon fiber. It's a high modular carbon fiber. It's actually a high modular Kevlar carbon fiber pole. And on the end of it there, I have a 18-inch boar's hair brush, and it's a lot more effective than the nylon. I have a nylon brush too, but with doing panels, it just gets the dirt. It grabs onto the dirt a lot better than the nylon brushes. But yeah, and then sometimes we'll use, depending on how dirty the panels are, a soap that we use, a solar panel cleaning soap. And in this case today, they just they weren't too bad because of the recent rains we had. You can see right here, there's the panels, and right there. So I just wanted to show you guys the process and some of the tools I use in cleaning them. So give me a second here, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, we're back on the roof, and there's 12 panels here. And over there's 10 panels. Those are already clean. I just did those. And then here is the brush I have. This is the water-fed pole I was telling you guys about, with the boar's hair brush. That gives it a nice scrub, grabs onto that dirt really nice. And then I'll show you guys the rinse bar on it. Here's the rinse bar. And that really flushes everything away real nice, as opposed to having the pencil jets that are inside the brush hooked up. So yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.